Alright guys, so we are here doing another little video, and I've got my mic set up here, so hopefully you guys can hear me okay. That's the hope. Now, one of the biggest things, I've been trying to play some Xbox games, and my daughter's actually playing an Xbox game in the room over here on her Series S. I play primarily on a Series X, but I also play on my Xbox One. And one of the issues that we were having, and I was unsure of how to fix this, was that when I plug my headphones, and you can see here I have this. So this is basically your mic, and your audio goes into something that allows for a single input. So perfect for like going into your phone or your Xbox or whatever it is. Now, on a dedicated, true, real-life Xbox controller, it'll have like an area for like the Microsoft controller where you can plug in. It's almost like a little dock, or it'll also have an area for like a 3.5 mil. So you guys can see that right there. So a 3.5 millimeter jack, which is what I'm going to put in here. And once I put this in, I'm going to bring up my actual Xbox screen here. So we'll just bring up this and just kind of bring this over. When you are back, I think at the main screen here, and you plug this in, so it detects that there is an actual headset. Now, right off the bat, I will get the sound from the Xbox, and the sound coming to the headphones is never an issue for me. Now, it may be an issue depending on what your sound level is, and again, like this controller is really great. Same with like the Microsoft headphone adapter. It has a volume adjustment on it so that you can play with how loud it's coming through here, which is good. But I've never been able to get the mic to work, and I just didn't know why I couldn't. So if you actually bring up your X, your home button, I guess it is, and you go all the way down here to the little, it says audio and music. It looks like the little speaker icon. You'll see that at the bottom here. And you click on that. Here is number one, as you can see on mine, headset mic off, on. And now I can even hear myself through my headset. So off, can't hear it, on, can hear it. I was fighting with this thing. I was like, why can I not hear anything? Now I know. Now the other thing you can do here too is you'll have mic monitoring. If you're a person that doesn't want to hear themselves, of course you can turn that all the way down so that it's gone, or you can turn it down so that you don't hear it very much. Headset chat mixer is going to be able to mix everybody so we hear them better. And then of course headset volume. I can adjust it here just in case you don't have a controller that has a mic adjustment on it, or you can use this button for me, and you can see as I push this, that one is going up and down as well. Right? Or you can just kind of come in here and click and drag that. But that's probably the simplest way for you and I to get the mic to work, because most of the time it's defaulted to off. So turn it on, hit back here, and you're ready to go. Yeah, good stuff. All right, my friends, that's it. I am going to go play some Diablo 4. Yeah. All right. Because now you know when I'm filming this, because the open beta is still going. All right, guys, I'm out. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and hopefully now you guys can use the headset of your choosing. Cool. Later.